Hi, my name is Neil Plummer with MarineMax Clearwater. I'd like to show you a fresh trade of ours. It's a 2020 Cruisers 46 Cantius. A very clean boat, very well cared for, as you see as we go through the walkthrough. I'm here in the aft cockpit. We've got this really nice cherry wood table. She is equipped with an ice maker. Also has a refrigerator back here. Beautiful sunshade, gets you out of the sunlight. If you look aft to the swim platform, this is a hydraulic swim platform. So you've got the chocks there for your dinghy, which do slide, they're adjustable. And then you've got the steps that fold down like an accordion. So as the platform goes down, you have steps to get you down there safely. You also have storage back here and a cockpit grill. Here we are inside the Cruisers 46 Cantius salon. Really nice galley setup here. Got the white countertops. You have a 2-burner cooktop stove, stainless steel sink. Really good storage throughout. Got your convection microwave underneath. Side-by-side refrigerator freezer. Obviously your TV, which does adjust to go towards the seating area forward. This boat is equipped with a watermaker. Also a really nice feature is your Dockmate for docking. Makes docking this boat just a breeze. Here, moving forward into the salon, you've got a settee to starboard, another to port. Really nice table. It does fold, so if you want to get in and out, it's really easy. Here you've got your helm station, dual Garmin displays. This is an IPS boat. So you've got your joystick for docking. Here we are inside the master stateroom. I've got a beautiful walk-around queen berth. Excellent storage on the starboard side. You've got really good natural light in this boat with windows on both sides that do open. Port side here, you've got a nice lounger, TV right there. You also have a washer-dryer combo unit stowed away right there. Super easy to get to. Really clean area. Moving forward, you'll see to port, you have your master private head, separate shower, vacuum flush, and a vanity. Here we are in the forward VIP stateroom on the 46. You can see you've got a really nice walk-around queen berth here. Really nice cabinetry, woodwork. You've got hanging lockers on both sides, port and starboard. TV, your stereo controls. To starboard, you've got your head there. Vacuum flush head, separate shower, and that doubles as a day head as well. So you've got another entry from the foyer coming down the steps there. Now we're on the foredeck of the 46 Cantius. You see a great conversation area up here right now. We don't have it set up right now, but there is a full sunshade for the bow up here. It's a really nice area to hang out. You've got your table that pops up there with your dual loungers. Something else worth pointing out on this boat is the hardtop retractable sunroof, as you can see right there. You've got your Garmin open array radar, track vision, and also equipped with Starlink. Thank you for joining us. My name is Neil Plummer with MarineMax Clearwater. Please give us a call if you'd like more information.